Hey everyone, so one of my favorite hacks when it comes to blusher. Now I love blusher, I've got so many, but you don't always need a cream or liquid blusher because chances are you've already got one in your lipstick. That's right, it works perfectly, I promise. Just add a little touch to the areas you want there to be color and use your fingers or a brush and blend this into the skin. Because lipstick has a waxy formula, it actually really looks beautiful. And just pat it into place. So can you see that really strong lipstick that we used, which was like a bright red. It's a beautiful color, by the way. Now, looks like it's part of the skin. Looks like it's coming from the skin, within the skin. So don't worry, if you don't have your favorite cream blusher, you can't afford one, guess what? You've already got one in your lipstick. It works beautifully. Just set it with a bit of powder and it'll last all day. Thanks for watching. I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye.